Hi Cancer, so gawin na natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog love reading sa buwan ng March 2024. Cancer, remember na collective reading to, hindi to personal reading. Maaaring mag-resonate sa inyo, maaaring hindi. I will tap into your energy next month kung sakali mang ang reading na yon ay para sa inyo. Matap natin yung energy niyo yun. Okay? Ito yung mga nag-unfriend. Ang sinasabi ko lang, ang collective reading magre-resonate sa ibang tao. It's not all the time na magre-resonate sa inyo ang mga collective reading. Maaari. So, take whatever resonates sa part ng reading na to. Okay? Alright. So, simulan na natin, Cancer Collective, ang inyong love reading, no? Sa buwan ng March 2024 all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? Kukuha tayo ng 5 baraha, Cancer. And then, ika-clarify natin sila sa kinakailangan. Okay? Okay. First card, meron tayong High Priestess, Major Arcana, Cancer. And then, meron kang, wow, Major Arcana, Lover's card. And then, meron kang Major Arcana, the World. So, may major shift sa larangan ng love life mo ngayon, Cancer, no? Six of Swords. And then, King of Swords. Okay. You will be becoming more wiser and wiser, no? Habang nagmo-move on tayo sa bagong chapter ng life natin. Kasi nandiyan ang The World, nandiyan ang Six of Swords, and nandiyan ang King of Swords. Okay? I feel strongly kasi may choice ka na dapat gawin sa isang connection. Nandiyan ang Lover's card, Major Arcana. Parang may ultimatum ka nandito or final call mo. Quits ba o ipagpapatuloy mo? Okay? Nasa iyo ang decision dyan. Pero may strong soul connection kayo ng taong to. Alam mo kasi, ang soul connection, it doesn't mean na it will be fine, no? Magiging smooth lahat yan. So, kaya lumabas yan dyan, may choice na or ultimatum na kailangan gawin. Okay? Tungkol sa connection na yan. And, actually, hindi mo naman kailangan ng advice, no? Sa ibang tao. You already know what to do. Nandiyan ang High Priestess, Major Arcana. So, it's just a matter of parang kailangan mo lang mag-reflect, pakiramdaman, aralin yung mga nangyari, yung anong nag-transpire, para makagawa ka ng decision. Ngayon, yan lang naman yung niramdaman ko sa first 5 cards mo, Cancer, no? Ika-clarify natin sila ng Oracle card para maiba naman, para makuha rin natin ang buong narrative, exactly, ng reading na to, for whoever will resonate on this reading. Okay? Kuha tayo ng 5 baraha. High Priestess can clarify ng fortune. Okay. Lover's card can clarify ng flow. May water na naman. May flow. The World. Nandyan ang time. Wow. Six of Swords. Nandyan ang co-creation. Okay. And then, nandyan ang nurturer sa King of Swords. Okay. I would say na maring may continuity, no, sa iyo at sa person mo na pinapanood mo tong reading na to. Nandiyan ang flow, nandiyan ang Lover's card. So, kung nagkaroon ng disconnect, maaring may continuity kasi nandiyan ang water. Maraming love, maraming feelings na involved dito. Okay? Now, it's only a matter of time, no, na parang may magtatapos-tapos, may magkakaroon ng bagong simula. Time and the world kasi to. Major change talaga to. Maaaring magbigay ng bagong kabanata, maaaring may, talagang literally may magtapos. Okay, or natapos na. And, who knows down the road, may bagong simula. Okay, but, this is imminent kasi Major Arcana. Now, ang maganda dito kasi, maaaring ma-resolve yung problema nung person mo at ikaw. Kasi nandiyan na Six of Swords, binakapan ng co-creation, no? So, parang, you're moving kayo together, itong lovers na to, may flow kasi, no? Tapos, ito nga, there's a time involved, no, to wrap up yung cycle na old and then magsimula ng bago. And then, sa bagong simula na yan, maaari kasi na, ikaw at siya, maaaring magkasundo, magkaayos, at mas may common direction na kayong dalawa together. Okay? Nurturer, so may potential na mag-grow ito kung maganda ang pagpaplano dito sa Six of Swords. Sa destination nyo together, co-create to eh. Parang may i-build ka dito together with someone. May papatunguhang direction kayo. And kailangan to pinag-iisipan, no? Itong partnership na to kung paano to mag-grow. Okay? pinaglalaanan ng panahon ng oras para pag-isipan. is not something na feeling ko magde-decide sila or ikaw based on emotion or intuition lang, but more on sa mind mo, no? Sa mindset yung dalawa. Kailangan same kayo ng mindset din dito. Mag-agree kayo paano nyo i-nurture or ipapalaguin tong connection na to, like long-term commitment or something na parang binibuild nyo yung future nyo together, okay? Then, yung High Priestess, nandiyan ang Fortune. So, wow, ang maganda kasi, no, ang Fortune, pag nakita mo sa card, is promising kasi sa earthly realm, no, nandiyan ang nurturer mo, tas meron kang Fortune, no. So, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, very grounded and committed tong energy na to. Queen of Pentacles to. Itong Fortune na to, parang Wheel of Fortune din sa Tarot. So, the luck may be on your side pagdating sa love life mo, March all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Kasi may potential din na mag-grow to. Could be new person, existing or old, but whatever it is, maganda. Subconsciously, you would know anyway na kung may patutunguhan o wala. Whether it's a blessing, there's graces, or parang there are bad lucks. Kasi Wheel of Fortune is kung saan tumama ang ruleta na. So, you would know. Okay? But overall, I think na promising ang love life mo in the next 3 to 6 months, Cancer. Okay? Also, Cancer, nararamdaman ko na maaari na yung mga questions about this connection, no? Or yung mga doubts mo and mga bagay na kailangan ng sagot within you, no, kung mas i-bless ka, okay, doon sa mga katotohanan na alam mo yon, madidiscovery mo, okay, kasi Fortune to and High Priestess, okay, o dapat tayo magpasalamat na you're intuitive, okay, I felt strongly na binless ka para maramdaman mo or makutuban mo rin kung saan pupunta tong connection na to. Okay? Ang sinasabi kasi, ang High Priestess and Fortune, no, ang strong nito malakas to alam mo kasi, di ba, papasok ang kasaganahan sa pag-ibig. Nararamdaman mo yan. Mararamdaman mo yan intuitively. Hindi ka magdududa doon sa connection na yan kung ito yung soulmate mo. Pag nararamdaman mo na binibigyan tayo ng assurance ng person natin, ng connection na to, na it will go somewhere. Diba? And then, huwag kang mag-alala kasi it will go somewhere dahil binakapan nga yan ng Lover's card. Nakita mo na sa tubig din uli silang dalawa, diba? So, may reconciliation, may choice na gagawin dito. And I feel like ang choice dito is a yes. Coming together with you. May tubig, may flow, and then si High Priestess nasa water din, no? So very watery, Cancer. Nandito ang energy mo, and I do think na you will let them in, no? Kung old person man to or new, it doesn't matter, you will let them in, okay? And it's about time na mag-umpisa na tayo ng bagong simula uli, okay? Kaya bagong person to or hindi, it doesn't matter anymore. Kasi nandiyan ng world, no? It's about time. Okay, tapos na rin yung oras. Or eto na yung oras din. Dumating na yung bagong cycle, yung bagong time or chance for you na magkaroon uli ng isang romance of a lifetime. Yun yung nararamdaman ko dito, romance of a lifetime to, dahil nandiyan ang Lover's card. Now, dito si Six of Swords mo, it could be you're moving on, no? Pero hindi ka mag-move on alone. Okay? Kasi nandiyan ang co-create. Okay? Mag-move on ka sa isang bagong simula towards a destination, maybe sa bagong country, pwedeng ganon, no? I-build mo yung sarili mo, yung future mo, pero may kasama ka. Yun ang nararamdaman ko dito, Cancer. Hindi ka iiwan nitong taong to. May travel na magaganap, may migration, maaari rin magkikita kayo somewhere down there kasi world is also travel, tong world, and then may journey rin dito si Six of Swords, no? So, you're moving together with someone, then pwede rin ganon, a live-in situation, a domestic situation. Kaya nga, ayan, iniisip, pinaplano kung paano nyo in-nurture o magkakaroon ka, parehas kayo ng investment para dito. Pag-iisipan na to, isa sa inyo pag-iisipan na to take things seriously for long term. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate kayo sa monthly reading na to, this March, all the way to the next 3 to 6 months short-term prediction, collective Cancer. And I'll see you guys on your next month reading. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Cancer. Bye!